So step one is get a 32-gallon trash can, or however big you want it. Then I got a hose attachment that you can turn on and off the water like this. So you'll drill a hole. I used the 1-inch hole bit, and you'll then put another attachment on the inside so that the water, when this thing is filled up with water, it can flow through and you can turn it on and off. And you'll want to make sure that this is all watertight because it'll be holding a lot of pressure. Then the next thing you want to do is get these 1/4 inch pipe. It's drip irrigation. I got this at Ace. And then there's a bunch of these little inline drippers. These are 1/2 gallon per hour. So I got 5 for each bucket in this herb garden. And you can go through connecting them. And then I drilled little holes for it to stick through. And then it'll snake through here. And then I'll show you how to connect that in a second. So then I went to Ace and I got this automatic rain delay, like all of that timer. So normally you can hook it up to a hose, but in this case we're gonna hook it up to this spout right here, and then we'll be able to select how much water is going to our herbs daily. Now the other few things you need would be this. It splits the water flow into 2, and this will help if you have like an herb garden and I'm gonna plant some like carrots, cucumbers. So then it'll come from here down into this thing that will be hovering over and spraying all the carrots and whatever vegetables or plants you want to be growing. And then the other side, I have this. It might not be long enough right now. It'll go into here, and I'll need a longer one, but the idea is I'll go here and it'll connect, and then it'll just zigzag through and slowly water. But so then clean it up and I'll show you what it looks like now. Okay, so I prettied it all up. So same system as before. So this one will go up around the herb garden, and it ends up right here with the angle sprayer. This one, the one that goes behind, goes here, and it goes to every single one of these and just snakes its way back up. So yeah, I'm gonna fill up with water and then we'll see how it goes. So this is a finished project. It looks a bit complicated, but it's really simple. So this filled up with water. It goes into these things that will regulate how much flow and when it actually flows. Then it goes from this way, back way, it goes through here and into every one of these, gives off 1/2 gallon per hour. Each of these does. So lots of water. And there's 25 of them all throughout. So that's that system. And this system goes all the way around. It comes down, and then it goes right here into this, which will be all the things that need deeper soil, like tomatoes and carrots. So we can just, for now, I'm gonna just turn it on. Hear the click, and that means the water's on. It may take a moment for it to start flowing. But so now this valve's open for 3 minutes, and then it'll close at the end of 3 minutes. And it'll slowly start going through. and it's somewhat started to drip. They're all dripping now. And as you can see, all of the water is dropping down from because I've ran it for a tiny bit. So that will water all of those vegetables, and this will water all of the herbs. So that's how to make an easy herb garden and vegetable garden in like a small space, because clearly it doesn't need that much space, and also has a irrigation system. This should last the entire summer because these only need about a gallon per like 6 weeks, so that'll last all summer, and then they'll grow pretty quickly then.